Hey y'all, I'm Peanut.
Today we're going to show you how to change a steel beam headlight on a 99 Jeep TJ.
Why you might be asking yourself?
It became clear the other night when we were driving around Virginia Beach and we realized there were a lot of headlights burnt out on vehicles.
This is bad, because without your headlights, you can't see where you're going.
Which also means oncoming traffic probably can't see you as well either. So it's important for you to know how to change your own headlight.
Let's get it done.
So here we are outside our local auto parts store getting ready to gather some supplies.
I'll let you know which headlights you need. These guys inside can help you get the ones you want. There's one thing you need to be certain of though.
The price?
Well, not quite. What you really need to serve is that they have a DOT marking on it. That way you will be in compliance with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Center, Monterey, Virginia Department of State Police, Motor Vehicle Inspection, Rules and Regulations, Section 140.
Those are the national and state laws that tell you which lights you can use on the road. The law differentiates between on and off-road lighting.
That they do. With that said, shall we go inside?
Yes.
Alright, now that we have the materials, let's take a look at what tools we're going to need to complete the job.
Doesn't look like we're going to need very much.
You're right, we're not. All we're going to need is a T15 torque bit and a 1/2-inch wrench.
Alright, let's get started then.
Alright, first things first, disconnect the battery.
I'll get that.
Thank you.
Got it.
Thank you, Molly. Next thing we need to do is we need to disconnect the headlight bezel by taking your T15 torque bit and moving the 3 screws that are holding it in. Now that we've got all the screws moved, we need to remove the bezel. It kind of clips into, so don't worry if it sticks a little bit. Set your screws in your bezel in the same place, so that way you don't lose them. Now we need to remove the headlight retaining ring. Those 4 screws will hold it in. It's right here. The screws are going to be on all 4 corners. Once you get all 4 screws out of the headlight retaining ring, the headlight will want to fall right on out. Make sure you don't let it fall and break. You don't want to pick up all the glass. It hurts. What you do need to do now is disconnect the electrical connector from the back. Alright, make sure you got this connector right back here, and don't pull on the wires.
This is important unless you feel like replacing the headlight connector also.
Headlights out. All we gotta do now is put the new one in.
Installation is the opposite. Plug in the new headlight, screw in the headlight retainer, and then the headlight bezel.
And don't forget about the battery. Now that we have everything put back together again, let's see if our headlights work. And Molly, would you do the honor?
You got it, dude.
And there you go. And you said the headlights for you and pleasures. Just for you.
Awesome. Now all we gotta do is clean up and put everything away.
What she said.
Yeah, we got a new one for y'all. Your boy Lyrics, Mike L. My boy one here, real, let's go. I'm tired of y'all, haters and whatever. Man, just live your life, you know what I'm saying? Hey. For real though, y'all ain't even worth my time. Yeah, I got my music, my family, and my friends. I guarantee they gon' be understanding me to the end. I'm standing on top of the hill watching the sunset, thinking of all the